Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Trello tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to remove someone from a Trello board. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open Trello. Now I have to go to the board where I want to remove a member. Here I click on the share button at the top right and get an overview of all the members of this board. In this case I want to remove this member. To do this I click on the current rank. And in addition to the options to assign a different rank here, I also find the option to remove the person from the board at the bottom. If I click on it, I have to confirm the removal, and then the user has already been removed from the board. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.